Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Chevy Silverado. We're going to show you how to reset the tire pressure sensor system in all the tires because we rotated our tires and now the truck has to relearn where they all are so they can tell you which tire is going low. So hopefully let's get into it and we'll show you how it's all done. Now that we're in the cab, we have to turn the key in the on position, but do not turn the vehicle on. This lights up everything on the dash, everything's active, but the vehicle's not running. Then you take your key fob and you hit both of these buttons at the same time, hold them down until the horn beeps twice. Now it's in the learning mode. Then we'll go around the outside of the vehicle and let some air out of the tires, starting at the driver's side front. We're at the driver's side front. The cap off. I'm going to use a key just to depress the valve until the horn goes off. There you go. Then you go around to the passenger side. Front passenger side. Then we'll head off to the passenger rear. There we go, we're letting the air out of the fourth tire, passenger side rear. There you go. And it beeped a couple more times. Well, there you have it. All the tires have been relearned by the truck. They know their location and they can tell you which tire is low. So hope that helped you in your project. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and see you on our next project.